Hello, you all. It's Wednesday and time for a new car review. Today I have one of my eBay purchases. But the thing is that I'm not sure which one it is. I have a hunch, but I'm not 100% sure.
It could be a Formula One car or DTM ITC car. Both of them were first bid winnings, so I'm not expecting shiny new cars.
Ah, this one is Opel Caliber ITC car. Interestingly, what shape it is, because it didn't look shiny in hand, and it was very cheap for a Minichamps car, which it apparently is. It's not like I have only Opel cars, I have others too. And for next week, I have one in mind, and it's made by Auto Art. To not miss that, subscribe and hit bell notification. This car looks like have been some kid's toy. The wing is broken off. Roof antennas are bent down and the car looks dirty. It even won't roll. Makes me wonder what to do with it. First of all, it needs cleaning. But then I can leave it as it is or try a hand in refurbishing and maybe giving it a new color. What do you think? Put down your thoughts in comments down below. And remember, I will see you next week with new car from Auto Art.